Hi YouTube. Thank you so much for the support and for waiting so patiently. I know you've all been really dying to see me using the Chhinkni powder. As you can see, I've already actually filmed some things, so my makeup is totally destroyed. My hair is destroyed. I had a whole other roll thing going on here because I'm using a sailor outfit and I did some sneezing videos in that. So I'm going to just make a quick video because I'm running out of time today with all my filming. But as always, if you do have any ideas for a custom, just let me know. I have set up membership options on Ko-fi. That's ko-fi /Mistress Ali. So I've got a couple of different membership tiers. I want to just discuss those quick. For a sneezing fan club. So it's got a lot of behind the scenes photos, videos. It's one-on-one chatting with me as well in my Discord channel. The different tiers have different things. So for example, the higher tiers do include my paid content, so the things that usually you'd find on the clip sites and things like that. They do include those, plus you can make some requests for me to do on my YouTube, and all in all it's just a really great time and it supports me, so I would really appreciate it if you guys check that out. If you don't want to subscribe but you would still like to support me, I really appreciate that, and you can do it through the same site, through Ko-fi. I'll leave a link in the description as well. And I don't think you want to hear me talking much more, you want to see me sneezing. So here it is, the Chhinkni powder. This I bought 10 of these, and I got them from Amazon USA. So obviously I'm in South Africa. It's a nightmare, and to get them over here was impossible. So I had a couple of things that I wanted to bring over here. Sorry, I just saw now my bedside drawer is open and it looks horrible. So just ignore that. Look at me. Look into my eyes. But I had a couple of things that I wanted to bring across. So I got a shipment of this stuff plus all the other things. And it took freaking 2.5 months. It must have been about $200 in shipping. It got stuck at customs. We had to pay extra. It was just a nightmare. So I'm really glad I ordered 10 of these. So I think they're going to last me a long time, and I won't need to order from Amazon anytime soon. So thank you everybody for your patience. I know that you've been waiting for this for a long time to see me do it. So I'm going to go ahead and give a couple of sniffs. I really love this powder. So it smells amazing, like menthol. And I love it. It feels a lot better than pepper as well, because you know pepper tends to burn after a bit, where this doesn't burn. It's just got a really nice tingle, and then afterwards my nose is really clear. So enough talking. So I'm not very brave. I only use a little bit at a time. I've already done a lot of sneezes, so my nose is probably like totally used to this by now. No, it's not. I spoke too soon. Oh, I can feel it tickling. Oh, it's so ticklish. Sorry. I'm making my eyes water, but it's not making me sneeze. I probably took too little. But it's destroying my makeup. Oh, that's a lot. Phew. 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 gonna sneeze over and over. Oh. 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 It's exhausting. Okay. I think that's enough to give a few good nose blows. You can see how much powder I used. You can see all the powder in my lipstick, all finished. Okay, well, that's it. Looks like I've been crying again, as usual. I haven't. I really enjoy doing this. I love it. I love my sneezing. I love the joy that it brings people who enjoy sneezing. If I could do this full-time for the rest of my life, I totally would, because I love bringing pleasure, and I love building a community, and yes, just wonderful things. So thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing, for new subscribers. Thank you for anybody who joins my memberships or supports me through buying me a coffee. I do love coffee. So thank you so much, everybody. Stay safe. Enjoy. I will see you next time.